I just wanted to give you guys an update on my little garden. It's been about 3 weeks, so yeah, it's made pretty good progress. The tomatoes are doing really good. Peppers, they're getting there. So yeah, I want to give you guys a little close-up, show you how each little plant looks, so stay tuned. I'm gonna start off with this tomato plant here. This is a Roma tomato plant, and those are the tomatoes that a lot of people use for making sauce. See, it's doing pretty good. If you look close in there, you see we already got the little, I guess they call them flowerets. That's basically where the tomato is going to be going from. So I'd say in a few weeks we're going to start seeing little tomatoes. So guys, my second tomato plant, it's this one right here next to the other one. These are cherry tomatoes, and it's also doing really, really good. Look how beautiful that is. And if you look there, you see that one also has the little flowers. So yeah, the tomato plants are doing amazing. Okay, moving along to my pepper plants here. You see there's two there. This one here is jalapenos. My little label there. And I don't see anything growing yet as far as the jalapenos, but give it some time. And this little bad boy right here is my green bell pepper plant. My little label. And this one, even though it's tiny, if you look close, you see you got little peppers there. So again, a few weeks, I have tomatoes and peppers. But yeah, and it's really small too. I'm shocked to see that, but not bad. So guys, I'm gonna link the previous video when I first started the garden using my fertilizer. I'll show you everything that I used in there. I will link it, I guess, in the suggestion box. I'm still learning how to do this YouTube thing, okay? So yeah guys, hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will update you in another few weeks. Bye.